Good morning, our viewers around the world. You're welcome to another fresh edition of our program today on Topadis TV. And the program reviewing our nation. It's a new dawn in Oyo State. And the topic we'll be discussing today is new dispensation and the way forward. We have a very notable guest with us today on this program. He's right here beside me. Good morning, sir.
Oh, good morning. Good morning, my viewers. My name is Olajide Akitunde from Lagilu State Constituency. I'm representing the good people of Lagilu.
It's nice to have you on our platform today.
It's my pleasure.
Okay, like what the Honorable Speaker said during the inauguration, he said, share.
Yes.
Now we have seen the very best of the past administration. We are in new dispensation right now. So what do you think that you are going to do differently from the past administration?
Oh, thank you. I just have to tell you that it's a new dawn. It's a new dawn not by words but by action. Even though we just assume the position, but definitely in a little short while you see things in action. Slow and steady wins the race. But we are not looking at winning the race alone, but to conquer the whole length and breadth of the state of Oyo State. I will tell you again that what we want to do is to jump into action by 1, the security, 2, the health, 3, accountability. What I mean by accountability goes beyond saying that we are accounting for money or the fund alone, but accountability in the sense that we have to ensure the lives and property of our people and the good people of Oyo State are well secured, their health are well accounted for to a level that shows how sound the health status of our people is. If you go back in history, you see that we are falling short of health, especially the primary health sector. We are just too low in terms of rank. But that's not to castigate anyone. We are just here to make things work and do a perfect job. Thank you.
Sir, you talk about your health, but when you are highlighting some of the things you're going to do in this present dispensation, you started with security. Now, you know, the major problem coming back to Nigeria is insecurity. So now we have all these Fulani X-men and the rampage. How do you intend to curb these in Oyo State?
Thank you. That's a very beautiful one. For us to know that as the environment is not safe is just something that caught us on our way, and that shows how alert the environment can get into when it comes to getting the fact right that the environment is not secure. There is an adage in Yoruba that says, that shows that when we know that our environment is not secure, then we have the consciousness of getting secure ourselves. The first thing is to reorientate ourselves to know what is happening in their environment. That's the first step of security. And how to communicate faster to the security agencies. I haven't know that we can put police person or paramilitary in every nook and cranny of the state, but when we have a fast communication to the right sector, they can get down there as secure, as soon as possible. It's just a kind of what we call a rapid response. And then the third one is the X-Men situation is a national thing. And I think the presidency is looking so much deep into that. But concerning Oyo State, the executive governor himself, which is Engineer Sheikh Makinde, I've already had a meeting with the top security chief in Abuja last week, and they are having a kind of this collaboration with the security parastatals that we want a different kind of organization in terms of security in Oyo State. In fact, the Southwest governors had a meeting and they already agreed on how they want to make their own kind of security apparatus work in the whole region, basically on the Fulani X-Men. And they are moving towards where they saw that there is a red alert there. And I'm telling you this, the government is working fast enough to make sure they apprehend and they curtail everything that has to do with herdsmen.
Okay, thank you very much. You know, security starts from home, like what you said. How will you sensitize the people concerning how they can also take care of themselves if there is any insecurity, maybe they come with their cows, you know. So people may like, okay, we don't want this cow grazing on our farm. So how do you think that people can really relate with the Fulani herdsmen so that there will be peace in the society?
Thank you. There is what we call dialogue. That means bringing both parties to the table. They've been doing that before now, but we want to make a very concrete step this time around. A lasting one. We want to bring the farmers and the herdsmen to the table. You know, to the table to an extent that even the society will be more involved. There is a difference between bringing them to the table and signing a memorandum of understanding or trying to put them together. No, the society will be much more involved this time around. So having said that, we still have to go as much as getting our people oriented on how they will be alert or how they will be aware of the danger that, or being proactive to the danger that lies ahead. For instance, we all know that the environment is an environment that is much more of in the social media and all that, and about, let me say, 45% are on social media, and we can communicate that through that. That's what we are planning. Two, we have to speak the language that people understand. What are the languages that people understand? When you go to nooks and crannies, some understand the pidgin, some Yoruba and all that. Then we have to bring the body up that will go straight to the local level, I mean the grassroots level, to communicate in the language that people understand, to let them be more alert of the danger or being proactive to what the danger can lie ahead. So as we speak, we are putting every modalities in place, and I assure you, and again I can put it as an advice that everybody should be watchful and look for everything that looks strange in their brain. That doesn't mean when you see a cow grazing everywhere and you start making a noise. No, just start fighting with them. No, we are not into that. What we are into is to make peace and everybody can coexist. Thank you.
Now the program is reviewing our nation, and the topic is Dispensation and way forward. We are in the office of Honorable Olajide Akintunde. He's our guest on this platform, reviewing our nation. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back, our viewers out there. You're welcome back to the program reviewing our nation, and we still have our guest with us, Honorable Olajide Akintunde. Sir, you're welcome back.
Thank you, madam.
And we have like 26 members as honorables, which is the majority, and we have like 5 from APC. What if impunity crop up? How do you intend to curb this? How do you think that you can work together?
Wow, well, thank you. Let me just say it won't crop up. Let me put it that way. The governor said something recently. He said, if you see me spending any money right now, it's my own money. Do you know the reason why he said that? He had it in mind that even before he can even touch anything in the state cabs, it has to go through a lot of processes that shows that we are ready to be accountable for anything at all that comes our way. And as this, honorable members, we are all one. We are one. This is not a party affair. We are not working differently. We are not working on party basis. We are all one, and we are working for the people. So that won't crop up at all. I have to say that to you.
Yeah, that is very good. It's nice to get that. And I can see that you are a young man, so because now it's a new dawn in your state. We have youth as honorable. So, I believe you started politics at a very young age. So, what informed your inspiration?
Oh, well, thank you. I just don't want people to have it in mind that we are all young. You know, I will tell you the crop of the honorables and the present honorables, we have over 50% of the age of 45 right now. So when they said we are young, it looks like everyone's a kid. No, no. We have the very young mixed with the middle age and even mixed with the over 50s. So we have a balanced team, a winning team, so to say. And what really inspired me to be a politician is, I will definitely say that is my mom. And I've been trying to attain a position of chairmanship way back 2010. And to God be the glory, we have what is more than a chairmanship this time around. And earlier than that, I've been a practicing politician. In one party that I don't want to mention, of course, a great party of ours, which is PDP. And with that, it gives me a lot of experience and makes me strong through thick and time. And you know, when you want to have a gold, it has to go to a refinery. And the refinery is always a fight. And passing through that makes me a gold right now. And our people make me who I am today. And I'm very grateful to God and grateful to my people, the good people of life.
That is very good, sir. So before we leave, what's your last word to the people out there?
Oh, once again, thank you, the good people of Oyo State, for giving us this opportunity. And the only thing I can say is, I want us to stand together, push forward, and I assure you at the end of 4 years, we give account and you know that if we are worthy of moving forward or we stay where we are. Thank you once again, and we appreciate you.
Okay, our viewers out there, I think you've heard what he said. He said thank you, and I'm also thanking you too for electing our honorable Queen to the Heart. My name is Temitope Abisa, and the program reviewed in our nation. Really appreciate you for joining us.
Thank you so much.